Australia removed this toy overnight after terrifying accidents shocked parents. Welcome to Banned Today, the channel that uncovers the hidden stories behind products, laws, and items you never knew were banned. Today's story takes us all the way to Australia, where a popular children's toy was suddenly removed from shelves nationwide. No warning, no announcement, and no time for parents to react. This toy, once found in nearly every household, sparked growing controversy after a series of unexpected injuries. What started as a few isolated incidents quickly turned into a national conversation about child safety. Within days, the government stepped in, and the product vanished from stores across all major cities. But why was this toy removed so suddenly? What caused the government to take action? And most importantly, what does this mean for parents who may still have the toy at home? By the end of this video, you'll know the full story. Before the ban, this toy was one of Australia's most popular items for kids under 10. Sold in supermarkets, toy stores, and online shops, it became a bestseller during holidays and birthdays. On the surface, it looked harmless, a colorful, interactive toy designed to boost hand-eye coordination. But behind the bright packaging was a growing list of complaints. The first major incident happened when a 6-year-old in Sydney suffered a hand injury while using the toy. Doctors said the mechanism inside was stronger than the recommended force for children. Soon after, similar cases popped up in Melbourne, Perth, and Brisbane. Parents started posting alarming videos online showing the toy malfunctioning, snapping unexpectedly, or ejecting small parts. As the posts went viral, the government took notice. On January 14th, the Australian Consumer Safety Commission launched an investigation. The findings were worse than expected. Over 42 reported injuries in just a few months, far above safety limits. As a result, the commission issued an urgent removal order requiring all retailers to pull the product immediately. Parents who had bought the toy were advised to stop using it and return it to the store for a refund. Schools and daycare centers were also warned not to keep the toy on their premises. But here's the twist. Experts discovered the toy had passed its original safety certification. So what changed? A quiet update in the manufacturing process, one that made the toy far more dangerous than the version originally approved. Government documents quickly confirmed the seriousness of the issue. A public safety notice released by the Australian Consumer Safety Commission highlighted the exact risks: internal component instability, unexpected mechanical force, and potential choking hazards. News outlets across the country published headlines like, "Toy removed nationwide after dozens of children injured," and "Parents demand answers after sudden product withdrawal." Graphs released by consumer safety researchers revealed a sharp increase in injury reports between October and January. The line shot upward dramatically, proving the toy had become more hazardous over time, aligning with the updated manufacturing batch. Experts from the Children's Health Research Institute also weighed in. According to Dr. Emily Harris, this toy's design changed just enough to turn a safe item into a dangerous one. The new internal spring mechanism exceeded recommended levels for child safety. Videos posted by parents served as additional proof. Some recordings showed the toy snapping open with intense force. Others showed tiny plastic pieces breaking off, pieces small enough for toddlers to swallow. The government's recall order listed all affected versions of the toy, including serial numbers and batch codes. Retailers like Kmart, Target, and Big W immediately complied, pulling the toy from shelves within hours. This was not a minor issue. It was a nationwide safety response triggered by real injuries, real evidence, and real danger. So why exactly was this toy banned? The core issue came down to updated manufacturing, design flaws, and safety violations. While the original toy passed all required testing standards, the updated model introduced a stronger mechanical spring that failed to meet children's safety regulations. This change wasn't widely announced, and even retailers were unaware. Legally, Australia has one of the strictest consumer protection systems in the world, especially regarding products for children. Once injury reports exceeded the national threshold, the government was required to act immediately. Delaying action could have resulted in even more injuries and legal consequences for the toy's manufacturer. Beyond the legal side, there was a growing public debate. Many parents argued that companies should be legally required to announce any manufacturing changes. Safety advocates supported the ban, calling it long overdue. Others debated whether this was an overreaction to viral videos, though experts strongly disagreed. Looking ahead, this ban may trigger a wider investigation into similar toys using mechanical components. Other brands may face testing, recalls, or even preemptive removals. The toy industry is already bracing for stricter regulations. In simple terms, the removal wasn't random, it was necessary. Now you know the real reason Australia removed this toy so suddenly, a hidden manufacturing update that put children at risk. What do you think? Was the ban justified, or should there have been a warning first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want daily updates on banned products from around the world, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Tomorrow's episode reveals another shocking ban you've never heard of. Before you go, here are 3 more surprising toys banned in different countries, and why. 1. Magnetic bead sets, USA. These tiny metal balls were once a viral toy, but they caused thousands of injuries when swallowed. The Consumer Product Safety Commission banned many versions due to internal damage risks. 2. Slingshot wrist rockets, Canada. These powerful slingshots were banned for being too effective, capable of launching projectiles with dangerous force. Authorities labeled them unsafe for children and teens. 3. Aqua Dots, worldwide recall. This arts and crafts toy used beads coated in a chemical that turned toxic when ingested. Several children were hospitalized, leading to a global recall. Stories like these remind us, even the most ordinary toys can hide unexpected dangers. Always double-check product safety alerts and follow recall notices.